Forecasting the weather. Focus question. How can we use patterns to predict weather? Forecast. Forecasting. How do you know if you should wear a coat to school? You can look at a forecast to tell you about the weather. A weather forecast predicts the weather. This means using data to make a good guess. Changing weather. Weather is hot. Just how hot or cold the air is. Is there rain or snow? Is there wind? Are there clouds? All of these things are part of the weather. Do you get tired of warm weather at all the time? Do not worry. Weather changes each day. It changes from season to season 2. Sensing weather. You can learn about weather using information. You can learn about the weather using just your senses. Does the weather feel warm? Can you see clouds? Can you see rain? Can you smell rain or hear wind? Think about what you can use to talk about weather. Weather tool. You can also use tools to learn about weather. A thermometer can tell you how hot or cold it is. A rain gauge can tell you how much rain fell. A weather vane can tell which way the wind is blowing. The tool is a
meteorologists.
A meteorologist is a scientist who predicts weather. Meteorologists use many tools to learn about weather. They use computer and maps. Meteorologists use these tools to show that what the weather is like now. Then they also predict the weather will be like. They also predict that what the weather will be like later. Patterns and trends. When meteorologists predict weather, they use trends. Trends are patterns. First, we can study weather in the past. Then we can predict weather coming in the next few days. Do you see a trend in this report? You might have needed a coat at the bus stop this morning, but you might not need it at recess. This is a weather trend. Most afternoons are warmer than mornings. Can you name any other weather trend? You can use them to forecast the weather. Be a scientist. You can forecast the weather. Design a tool that measures how much rain falls each day. This is called a rain gauge. Draw a picture before you build it. Put your rain gauge outside. Make sure it will not falling over. How much rain did you collect each day of the week? How can you draw rain gauge help you forecast the weather next week? beyond the book. As your teacher to help you use the internet to compare weather in different places. Is weather always similar in places that are close together?